Your brain is not your friend. It's not trying to help you succeed. It's trying to protect you by keeping you soft, scared, and silent. That's why you struggle to do the hard things, because every time you try, your own mind becomes the enemy. But today, that war ends. I'm going to show you how to override your brain and force it to obey. Step 1, built to break you. Your brain doesn't care about your goals. It only cares about one thing: survival. That's why it whispers, skip the gym, just rest, one more scroll won't hurt, start tomorrow. It wants the easy path, but the easy path doesn't build warriors. It builds watchers, consumers, people who dream big but never move. And the more you follow that voice, the more you become a slave to your own mind. Step 2, make pain your fuel. The secret is not escaping pain, it's redefining it. Most people see pain as the enemy. It's wrong. Pain is the price. It's the currency for growth, power, clarity, strength. You want to break the loop? Do this. Every time your brain says, I don't feel like it, you answer, good, that means I must. Pain becomes the trigger, not the warning. When you stop chasing comfort, you start chasing resistance. Step 3, the 3-second kill switch. When you hesitate, your brain wins. That's why you have 3 seconds to act, because after that, the excuses take over. Here's the rule. You wake up and don't feel like moving? 3, 2, 1, go. You see the workout and doubt yourself? 3, 2, 1, start. No thinking, just movement, because action kills overthinking and hesitation kills transformation. Step 4, daily war mode. You don't need a 50-step routine. You need one thing: a daily discomfort ritual, a cold shower, 100 push-ups, 30 minutes of deep work, speaking up when you're scared, waking up before the sun, small acts of war. Every one of them is a punch to your weakness. Everyone trains your brain to submit. The goal is not to feel ready. The goal is to act until your brain shuts up and follows. Step 5, become the machine. Most people wait to feel disciplined. Warriors don't wait for feelings. They decide who they are, then they act like it. Tell your brain, I'm not lazy, I just trained myself to avoid pain, but that ends today. Then go do something hard and do it again tomorrow. You're not rewiring your day, you're rewiring your identity. The goal isn't to finish tasks, the goal is to become a machine that thrives under pressure. You've obeyed your brain long enough. That version of you dies today. From now on, you do the hard things. That's it. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe, like, and keep leveling up.